to stay pure and to stay with your principles within that gutter, I did not find too many people doing that.
Okay, we'll give the last word to Dr. Huzefa Khorakibala. What is the message that you would like to give it to the society when all these aspects of politics, the economic downturn and all these things happening, ultimately the worst sufferer are actually the real Aam Aadmi. And there are instances where the real Aam Aadmis are not getting the benefits which they should get. The widening gap between the rich and poor are increasing. Although we are talking about the GDP numbers, we are talking about the statistics, but the real fact is that the real beneficiary, that is the rural India, are not getting the credit that they should get it. In fact, they are actually aloof from the mainstream actually.
See, there are three spheres in this thing. You know, one is the political sphere, but that sphere is not totally in everyone's control. Only those who are part of that can control that. Second is the social sphere. Social is a society and all that. And the third is the individual, that what each of us as an individual we can do. So it has to start from yourself. It starts from the individual, and each one has a capacity as an individual to affect the change that he wants to affect. And that individual, when it starts at his individual level, it goes to the social level. And when the social level, it can affect the political level. So we don't have to get too worried about the environment around us all the time. We have to think of us as an individual, and we have to see as an individual how we can set a good example, how we can each of us every day do some good things. And the best way is to be a role model for other people. That is the best way. And we should not worry too much about the environment because we can't control it. We can control ourselves, and that's what we should try to.
And just one more thing which I want to add, which none of us touched upon, is the inequality and the patriarchal system we live in. There still is not equal opportunity for the minority women, the women's vote, the women's education. It is shocking to even know that very few women in this country actually have a bank account, forget being investors and entrepreneurs. So to empower this country, to bring change, one of the key areas of